Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. The market is brutal right now. If I look at the SPY, close near the lows, QQQ, close near the lows. And I think everyone is waiting for CPI to come out. And so while we wait for that, it's kind of slim pickings in terms of trading opportunities. But I did spot WWE on a scan tonight, and I realized this is actually holding up pretty well in a bad market. If I zoom out here, you can see it's above all the major moving averages and just kind of consolidating around that $66 level. If I bring out the drawing tool here, you can see I can draw a downward sloping trend line from there to there, and maybe, a little support area right there. And so it's just kind of tightening up now. I don't know, because of the market, how this is going to react when CPI comes out. But I think it's worth watching for a clear break of this range to the upside and a close above coming on higher than average volume. Now, the volume today here on the daily chart was pretty good. Higher than average. If I dial it into a daily chart, you can see there's a lot of buying throughout the day and then just kind of a last hour sell-off with everything else. Even the SPY was dumping into the close. But I think this has a chance to at least test the highs up here because it's already near the highs. So if the market does turn around, I think WWE is a stock that we should definitely keep an eye on. I know I will be. And if you want to see what else we're watching, head over to StockMarketMentor.com. Take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.